Alright guys, so what's up guys? So in this video, want to show you some ways you can spice up your guitar playing. Some ways you can spice up your playing to sound more good, sound more better. Okay, so if you know that is the first time watching my video, like it to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, so if you're watching on Facebook, I'd like you to hit on the like button, okay? You can share and also drop a comment how you feel about the video. I would really appreciate that, okay? So I want to do this lesson in the key of E. Most of you are not really familiar with the key of E's and other keys on the guitar fretboard. So today we're going to do this lesson in the key of E, and this is the key of E, okay? This is the key of E on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5th fret, 2nd string. Okay, we have it on different intervals. Okay, so for today, if you want to play, let's say we are playing a kind of a song like today is a day of joy, that day of joy, that day of joy. Today is the day of joy, a day of joy, a day of joy. Today is a day of joy, a day of joy, a day of joy. Today is a day of joy, a day of joy. Okay, stuff like that. I believe you guys know the song, and it's kind of a popular song. Many of you know the song. So the progression of the song is do today, day of do the song, do so. Now, in a professional way, some ways you can spice it up to make it sound better, like I played earlier. It's stuff like that. Today is that day. Okay. Va mi do so mi va. Now you're going to a va chord, okay? Va mi do so mi va. Now I play. Today is that day. I add a 7th note there, which is the more in that key of E. Okay, it's a kind of a B, there's a kind of A flat 7, sorry, kind of a A7. That is the 8/7 chord. Okay, that is a kind of A7, but that note there in the key of E, the more, there's a do, re, mo, do, re, mo, re, do. Okay, so add a more there. Okay, today is a day. Now I play okay. I go to the 1 chord now. I play again. Now the raise the so chord now. To go again. I play a kind of a dominant 7 there. That will be an F sharp dominant 7. They're kind of playing it like a red chord. Okay, like a red chord, a kind of a red chord. But I play the dominant 7, which is I'm adding the do, which is the root note there. Okay, stuff like this, like that. That's like as if you are playing your F sharp major chord, straight chord. I add a 7 there. Okay, which is the do. Okay, then I come to my song. Then do. Okay, there are some ways you can spice up your guitar playing to sound more advanced and a professional level, professional sound. Okay. Okay, so stuff like that you can be picking your nose, spice it up to make it sound more better, sound more good. Okay. So guys, wherever you don't understand, hit me up in the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.